Look at the sharp teeth on this fish, but watch what they do first to clean this fish. This is the black scabbard of Madeira Island, and before you can even start cleaning it, those razor sharp teeth have to come off. First, using the back of the knife, he chops away at the bottom teeth and then removes the upper jaw. But don't scroll yet, because this is where it gets interesting. There's no scales on this fish, but there's spikes on the dorsal fin that run all the way along its back. You can see that by scraping the dorsal fin all the way along, he manages to take off all those spikes. Hi, my name's Grandpa, and if you're enjoying my videos about Madeira Island and its local foods and attractions, please give us a follow. Madeira Island has a fascinating history. It was founded by the Portuguese. Next, he opens the fish and removes all the guts completely. Fishing on the island of Madeira became an important part of local life. For generations, local Madeiran fishermen have worked the deep Atlantic waters, catching species that are rarely seen anywhere else in the world. In that little bit there was a little bit of the eggs that were in it, the caviar. The black scabbard is one of those fish that's rarely found anywhere else in the world, and it's become one of the most famous traditional dishes and remains a major part of the local traditional food culture. A nice quick wash. And then comes the part that changes the appearance altogether. That strange black outer skin is carefully scraped away from something that looks almost prehistoric to one of Madeira's best known local fish. Would you eat it?